In just 5 minutes, I am going to tell you what is NFT, how does it work, and why people are investing their thousands of dollars buying these NFTs. And at the end of this video, I am going to tell you how you can also invest in NFTs and what are the best platforms from where you can invest in NFTs. But let me put this disclaimer very clearly that this video and all the videos in these channels are only made for educational purposes, and this is not any kind of investment advice. It is advisable to contact your financial advisor before taking any financial decision, because we don't claim any profit or loss from your side. Now, what is NFT? Basically, NFT stands for non-fungible token. Now understand what is the meaning of fungible. The word fungible means anything that can be easily exchanged or replaced with any other same type of items. Like my book, The Secrets of Never-Ending Wealth, where I have disclosed how you can make money like banks, keep yourself protected from any kinds of market crash, become debt-free quickly, and achieve your financial goal and financial freedom. This book is also a fungible token because thousands of copies of this book can be reprinted and one copy can be exchanged with another copy of the same book. But the word non-fungible is totally opposite of fungible tokens. Non-fungible tokens means any digital assets that can be represented as token, but it is not exchangeable or replaced with anything. And these items can be anything like artwork, music, painting, videos, photos, cartoon characters, designs, tweets, poems, anything. It is basically a process to keep the originality of any creation and transforming the legal ownership to its creator or its holders. Basically, it is a blockchain supported copyright mechanism. And these things are non-fungible because any single item cannot be replaced with another same thing. Now understand how does it work. As NFTs are the blockchain based copyright mechanism, for that reason we need a blockchain for keeping the records of NFTs and its transaction histories. Nowadays, maximum NFTs are kept and transacted in Ethereum blockchain. But due to the faster transaction and lower transaction fees, NFTs are being listed popularly in Polkadot, Solana, and Algorand too. When anyone upload any creation in the form of NFT in any NFT marketplace through any digital wallet, the transaction details or the transaction ledgers are commonly distributed in all the computer nodes in the blockchain network. And when the NFTs are bought and sold, then the transactions also kept as the mutually distributed ledger in the blockchain network. And this is how the true ownership of that NFT is secured. So basically, to access any NFT, you need to have the access of any cryptocurrency blockchain and NFT marketplace platform and digital wallet. Before investing in any NFT, you need to have these three things together. Now let's understand why people are buying NFTs. NFTs are totally different from all other traditional investments like stocks, bonds, gold, crypto, etc. There may be thousands of reasons, but people are buying NFTs because of these reasons. Number one, a brand owning feeling. Whenever you buy NFTs like Nikes or Adidas or Mahindras, it shows your loyalty for that particular brand, and sometimes it helps you to show off your social status among others. Number two, to showcase your unique collections. Some artworks, paintings, certificates, digital creation, or some cartoon characters or maybe some tweets become so unique that some collectors love to own it and keep it with them forever. And they are doing it because they believe that whatever they are holding right now, after a certain period of time, they would be able to sell it at much higher prices than they are buying right now. Number three, claiming the original ownership. On the other hand, if you are a creator or an artist or painter and want to secure your creation from being copied or want to sell it in future, you might like to enter in the NFT marketplace. Because in NFT marketplace, any unique creation or collection cannot be copied by anyone without the permission of the holder or the creator. Number four, supporting any particular community or movement. Sometimes to support any social, political movements or support any specific community like crypto community, fan club community, gaming community or artist community, people buy and sell NFTs. It helps them to expand their community for a particular purpose that need to be served in coming future. When the selling and buying is involved over any underlying asset, it creates the investment opportunities. Nowadays, I believe maximum people are buying it for investment purposes. So that's it for today. Stay connected and subscribe the channel, because in my next video I'll be telling you how you will be able to invest in NFTs and what are the best platforms available that can help you to create your $1 million future in upcoming 10 years through NFTs. Till then, bye bye.